Welcome to how to start up the Hygienio disinfection unit, the C4P0 model. You will need one 25ml bottle of Hygienio Plus disinfectant and a total of 4 litres of demineralised or deionised water. Firstly, dilute the bottle of Hygienio Plus into 2 litres of demineralised water. Fill the tank marked with the red label with the diluted disinfectant. Then fill the tank marked with the blue label with 2 litres of demineralised water. Make sure you replace both caps on their respective tanks. Now you can plug the machine in. Press the green power on button to switch the device on, and wait until the pressure of the steam generator reaches approximately 4 bar, as indicated by the pressure gauge. This can take around 20 minutes. To reduce the heating time, press the sprinter heating button. This is recommended during continuous use of the machine. The control panel also indicates when the machine is low on disinfectant, low on water, and when it is in need of maintenance. When the blue H light is engaged, the disinfection phase is selected. When initially starting the Hygienio C4P0, the blue light will flash continuously. Start the phase of heating circuits by spraying the nozzle for approximately 60 seconds inside the condensate recovery bottle located on top of the machine. You will hear 3 beeps and the blue light will remain fixed. To use the Hygienio in steam mode without disinfectant, you can deselect disinfectant by clicking the H button. The Hygienio device is now ready for use. We recommend you wear PPE when using the device. We recommend handling the nozzle at a distance of 40 to 60 centimetres from the equipment or surface being disinfected. The disinfectant and steam combine to give a fine mist which reaches across any surface or material. For a uniform spray, we recommend moving the nozzle back and forth and up and down across the equipment, demonstrated here. We advise not to direct the steam into contact with the skin or eyes. Thank you for watching. For more information, visit our website, where you can also find our contacts page to arrange a demonstration of the Hygienio disinfectant unit.